My name is Irene. I'm the owner of SignID operating here in Georgetown. I came here to Canada with my family in year 2000. We bought a franchise business in sign industry in 2002. 4 years later, we decided to be independent. I and my husband never thought that we are going to have a business like this. Finding the marketing strategy is the endless task. Trend is always change. The needs always change. And nowadays, we are facing the digital era. And this is also a new challenge for us because we are not equipped with that. When we are deciding to own a business, we think that we have to find a model that can teach us how to do, because we don't have any information how to do business in Canada. We don't understand the culture, we don't have any networks, we don't have everything actually. When we contacted the Halton Small Business Center, we received the information to get interns to help us in digital marketing. They also provide information of the market research to help us find more clients. With those information that we gain from the Small Business Center, help us to survive, to stand our feet. When you are operating a business, you have to know everything from A to Z. Small Business Center is somewhere that you can get all the information that you need for every aspect when you are doing the business. The most rewarding thing I receive owning a business is because I can put all my efforts, knowledge, and skill on the table. The reward cannot be replaced by money. But of course, the revenue that you get when you hit the jackpot, the sky is the limit. I believe for new entrepreneurs, it is best for them to reach out to the Halton Small Business Center because all the hurdle will be easier to tackle